Oh, how painful. Here we've got the WeThePeople Reasons 2011 with 2 pitchfork tires, unfortunately, but actually not that bad. It's another 20 times 10.
Yeah.
Some seafood dice is here. Thank you for finding that out.
Salt.
This is salt, normal salt, back hub, rear hub.
Yeah. And then here, if you want to wonder, here's the sound. That's the sound.
Yeah. And 25 D sprocket.
With a KMC chain.
Prime. Salt cranks, Primo Josh Striker pedals, it's clear blue. And the best, I reckon this is the best part, the nice pivotal seats, which I don't know how much they'll cost.
WeThePeople Reason frame.
Stock WeThePeople Reason frame. It's actually gone a bit custom on this, to be honest. Don't know what things to it. And we've got, I think it's salt headset.
And
salt stem as well. Stock WeThePeople Reason bars, 2011. Chasehawk grips without the flanges, thank God. And just another front pitch floor tyre here with another seafood ice. Normal stock WeThePeople Reason box. And I think it's salt.
Yeah, salt.
Yeah, salt.
Hang on, if you want to see that, there you go.
Yeah, there's a salt cup.
And then single.
Yeah, single wall front rim, double wall back rim. Here. Anything else? Yeah, and that's about it.
How much does it weigh about?
And it weighs 11.8 kilograms, which is very, very light. And here's the hub once again. Skid, please. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this WeThePeople Reason bike check. There'll be a Zodiac bike check and a Trust bike check and a Crash bike check soon. Okay, alright, see you in a bit, guys. Yeah.